Now the graph window in Poser is actually very sophisticated, and it's a nice feature. And these black specks on the graph line are keyframes. So if I select one and move the keyframe up or down, you can see that you have a great deal of control over how the figure moves. And this is extremely useful when you're trying to do very fine animation where you have movements that are very where you're trying to do very complex movements and get them really right. And the nice thing about this graph too is that it shows you the interpolation and potential problems of your animation. For instance, you may be animating along and not notice that there's a great big bulge in your animation which could lead to some funny movements, and it's an easy thing to fix in the graph window, whereas if you were just using the dials, it could drive you crazy because you'd never figure out or find out where the problem was occurring.